Why didn't you pick up in the first ring, huh?
Sorry, boss.
I've sent you there for a mission. Are you positive about the Kohinoor?
Yes, boss.
Good, good. You started work today, right?
Today.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Here we are at the Paddington station, where every journey begins with the hum of trains and the rush of footsteps. There's something about this place. People moving in every direction, yet all chasing their own dreams. And now it's time to dive beneath the city, into the underground, where the world above fades into echoes and tunnels. Each stop is like a different chapter of London, alive and endless. Today's story takes us from Paddington to Westminster. You cannot overlook the small neighborhood where a goat lives. Not literally a goat, but Virat Kohli. You heard me right. He, along with his family, live in this beautiful and colorful district called Notting Hill. You don't want to miss a chance of a morning walk with him, right?
The next station is Notting Hill Gate.
Notting Hill. A quiet charm right in the middle of London. Every street here feels like a painting. Rows of pastel houses, quiet cafes, and that effortless charm only London can pull off. It's calm yet alive, like the city whispering, "Slow down, you have just arrived." इंग्लैंड को इससे ज़्यादा कलरफुल मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था. काफ़ी यूरोपियन टच है, मतलब जो आर्किटेक्चर देखोगे या फिर बिल्डिंग के कलर्स, रोड्स, बिल्कुल शांत सी जगह है और काफ़ी ज़्यादा कलरफुल है. And just then the name of the place strikes you. Of course, the famous Hollywood movie, Notting Hill. There's a small bookshop nearby, the one that inspired it all.
I'm also just a girl standing in front of a boy, asking him to love her.
Welcome to London. London, a city where time walks with you. Where the old whispers through stone walls and the new glows in every glass star. Where royal guards stand still, yet the streets never stop moving. A city that's elegant yet restless. Royal yet real. From the calm Thames to the chaos of Piccadilly, London breathes contrast. Every corner tells a story. Every accent sings a rhythm. This is London, timeless, tireless, and unforgettable. And through it all, time keeps a watch. Standing tall above the city, marking every movement that London lives. Its chimes echo through history, reminding Londoners that time never stops, it simply evolves. The Big Ben. It is not just a clock, but the heartbeat of a timeless city. ये मेरे पीछे है बिग बैन, क्लॉक टावर, लंदन आई. Just across the river, the London Eye turns slowly. A graceful circle of motion against the city's restless pace. It rises quietly above the Thames, watching London from a calm distance. Down below, life rushes on. Buses glide, people hurry, lights flicker. Yet up here, time seems to move a little slower. Every rotation offers a new perspective. A reminder that even in the busiest cities, stillness can be found in motion. From its glass capsules, London unfolds like a living canvas, changing colors, moods, and stories with every turn of the wheel. खाना वाना सब डन है हमारा और अब हम इस एरिया से बाहर जा रहे हैं, मतलब दूर जा रहे हैं. तो अभी हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टॉप होगा चाइना टाउन. चाइनाटाउन आया है तो इधर का फेमस डिमसम ट्राई करने आया है। देखते हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम है वेज डिमसम। बहुत मुश्किल से एक वेज डिश मिली है, तो मुझे अब समझ आ रहा है कि जापान जाके क्या हाल होने वाला है मेरा, क्योंकि एक डिश मिली है बस जो प्योर वेज है। वी वांट वेजिटेबल डिमसम,
But no 100%, yeah, I'll let you know.
100% वेजिटेबल।
No, we didn't have 100% vegetarian. The meat and do the vegetarian same. Are you okay?
No,
is mine
no,
okay? I do for you.
No,
Thanks for
thank you. Thank you for letting
Yes.
us know.
खाने का तो प्लान कैंसिल, और 3-4 रेस्टोरेंट्स को पूछा कि डू दे सर्व प्योर वेजिटेरियन। मतलब हमें ऑयल भी सेम नहीं चाहिए और पैन्स स्पून सब अलग अलग चाहिए, पर ये तो इधर पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो इधर वी कांट ईट। बाकी अब हेडिंग टू We have started to see a glimpse of the London Bridge. Here it is, the London Bridge. Standing quiet yet powerful. It reflects stories older than time itself. The calm Thames beneath, the city lights above. It's where history meets present. And just beside it, the Shard rises. Sleek, modern, and endless. Its glass mirrors the sky, catching the last shades of the sunset. That golden orange glow melting into deep blue. London feels different at this hour. Slower and softer, like it's pausing to breathe before the night begins. This is my last vlog of the UK series. 15 weeks, 15 Sundays, and 15 stories. What a ride it's been. Honestly, I am proud. Not just of the places I saw, but of keeping a promise to myself. To stay consistent, to grow a little with every frame, every edit, and every story told. It's strange how endings always feel both heavy and peaceful. Every ending hints at a new beginning. Oh, that's my stop. Got to get off. Literally, the only thing you could do for free is like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next one. Till then, sayonara.